Hey guys, my name is Stephanie Sheriff and I teach band. That includes a 6th grade beginning band and 7th and 8th grade concert band. We do our Christmas concert and our spring concert. We also have a marching band that plays at all of the football games. That's a lot of fun. And as well as a pep band that plays at most of the basketball games. This year I'm really excited because we're doing something new. I'm going to be teaching a guitar class. And I'm really looking forward to seeing y'all. I'm ready to get back, and it's going to be a great year. See y'all.
Hey everyone, my name is Kelsey Singletary and I'm the art teacher here at Stevens County Middle School and 5th Grade Academy. I also coach the SEMS Auxiliary Corps as well as direct the stage design program that we have here at the middle school. I can't wait to see you guys and I hope we have an awesome year.
My name is Jennifer Blasingame, and I'm the business teacher here at Stevens County Middle School. In our business class, we'll prepare you for entering the workforce when you're in high school or as you graduate from high school and get your first job. It's a fun class. We work on our typing skills and we create a resume. And we work on all kinds of employability skills to make you the person that any employer would want to hire. Another fun thing that I get to do here at Stevens County Middle School is work with the morning news. So every single day we get to have a student-led student news program, and we say the pledge and have a moment of silence, and we just update the entire school on important things that are going on. So those are two things that I want to talk to you about. Look forward to seeing everybody. Sure have missed you. So see you soon.
Hey guys, this is Miss Martin. I wanted to tell you that I'm looking forward to you coming back for us to do computer science and robotics. I've got a good year planned for us. We're going to build some cell phone apps. I took 2 classes at Georgia Tech this summer, so we're ready to go. Got some new stuff for you. And for my robotics teams, I wanted to let you know we're going to be doing everything online this year, so we won't do any traveling from what I've been reading. So we got some good stuff in store for you. When you come back, for those of you who are coming back, I will go ahead and tell you I will be wearing a mask and a face shield, because I am one of those people that's medically fragile. So you guys take care, enjoy your last few days, and get ready because we're going to have a great time.
Hello everybody, I am Coach Ivester here at Stevens County Middle School, and I teach Family and Consumer Sciences. I also coach cross country and track, and we sure are looking forward to having you here in August. And I sure can't wait to get cooking. Thanks.
Hey guys, I'm Miss Westmoreland. I'm the agriculture teacher here at Stevens County Middle School. In ag class, we're going to learn about all the different areas of agriculture. Students are going to learn public speaking and leadership skills, and we also have a hands-on SAE project. I'm also the FFA advisor, where we host monthly FFA meetings. Students can compete in FFA contests and show livestock. If you're interested in agriculture or FFA, stop by Miss Westmoreland's room at room 200. I can't wait to see you guys when you get back.
Hey everybody, my name is Coach Roberts. I'm the new weight training coach this year. I also coach football and basketball, and let's have a great year.
Hey guys, I'm Coach Adams at Stevens County Middle School and 5th Grade Academy. I'm one of the PE coaches here. I'm an 8th grade boys basketball coach and boys cross country coach as well. Look forward to meeting you.
Hi guys, I am Miss Clippinger and I teach chorus and music technology this year. And in chorus, we work towards performances, and we sing lots of fun songs and prepare for those performances at the end of each semester. And then in music technology this year, it's a good class for kids who love music but aren't so keen on performing. We'll be having fun with music and on computers and having fun editing stuff. It'll be a fun class. Anyway, I am so excited to see everyone and so excited for the school year.
Hey guys, I'm Coach Stowe. I'm one of the PE teachers over here at Stevens County Middle School and 5th Grade Academy. I coach 8th grade girls basketball and also girls softball. Looking forward to meeting you.